welcome to the USS Cod booth at the Great Big Home and Garden Show. I'm Cod President Paul Frace, and I've got booth duty tonight. And we're taking a little break here from the throngs of visitors to show off some of our displays. And this should be familiar to you if you're a longtime fan of our channel. This is the full-scale replica of one of Cod's 72 pistons and cylinder liner. And of course, this would fit in here, up and down. But you know what? That can damage it, and that's frankly a lot of work. As I said, Cod had 72 of these. This is being the cylinder liner with its cooling ports and oil ports and scavenging air ports. You couldn't have the hardware because it would weigh 300-400 pounds. But having 3D printed parts from Paul Simon, again, Paul, thank you very much. Paul Simon of Waukesha, Wisconsin is the 3D printing guru. He made these last year for us, and it's been such a big, important display in our engine rooms because our engines are fully functional. We don't want to take them apart. And certainly having a 200-pound piston connecting rod, you don't want to toss that around. So this we can display. People like that. But just before the show, I got a box from Paul, and it included this, which just blew my mind. This is a scale replica of the piston, crankshaft, and the cylinder liner. You can see that right here. But best of all, it works. It moves up and down like the real thing. Now, of course, Cod's GM Model 248 engines are two-stroke diesels, so get over here, Evan. I'm going to demonstrate. Look down the cylinder. Here is the compression stroke, and there is the power stroke. Compression, power. Compression, power. Now, this full-scale steel, real deal, would be operating at about 750 RPM. And of course, see the scavenging ports bring in air. Just amazing. And it has been quite the hit with folks, both engineering, gearheads, and kids. And it's at the correct 20-degree incline that the V16 engines would have. So, you know, who doesn't like to see big pistons?
Ow, don't drop it.